Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind. Somewhere from a place up high above, there's a song of love traveling afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, to be your light into the night. Bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today's video, guys, is a decorate with me. I'm decorating my farmhouse entryway for Christmas. I hope you enjoy. Guys, as most of you know, most of my house is glam, but I do have a lot of farmhouse touches as well. My entryway is definitely one of them, with my gallery wall. Every season, I like to change things up and add decorative touches. I start every season by decorating my tufted bench. This bench, guys, is from 1825 Interiors, and I love that it also has storage where we store most of our shoes. I start by adding these beautiful turquoise ruffled cushions that I picked up from eBay quite a few years ago. Now, I usually have these out all year round, guys, and add decorative touches to them. I then added this beautiful neutral Christmas stocking cushion that I picked up from TK Maxx last year. I love the neutral look as well, guys. I think it goes perfectly in this space, as well as the pop of colour with the turquoise. Now, you know your girl Chelle is loving leopard print at the moment. I have leopard print everything at the moment, guys. But I absolutely loved this beautiful throw that I picked up from eBay last year, and I added it to the ottoman. Now, to the end of my bench, I wanted to add these beautiful rustic candle holders that I got from TK Maxx last year. I have a large and medium size.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it never.
Sticking with the farmhouse theme, I have these out all year round. These are my cotton stems in a white vase from TK Maxx.
You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire.
I then added some dollar store green topiary balls to each of the candlesticks.
It's Christmas, some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never.
I then added this beautiful rustic 3-tier tray that's from 1825 Interiors. I love decorating it for each season, guys, so I started by each tray and adding my decorative touches.
It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
I started at the top of the tray and added this boxwood wreath. I just placed it over the centre, and I then added this beautiful rustic stag that I picked up from Big W. I placed him in the front.
Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire.
On the middle tray, I added this cute little sign from TK Maxx.
It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang
I then shopped my own home for some mini Christmas trees, and I added 2 to either side of the sign.
Outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
The one thing I love about decorating 3-tiered trays is the different looks that you get for each season. This one is quite high, guys, and I love that it goes perfectly with my entryway theme. Gaps around the middle tray, I use these decorative cotton buds that I picked up bags full off eBay. I'll leave them linked for you down below. The only downside of working with cotton, guys, is it ends up all over you. So my black jumper was probably not the best choice when filming this video. Cleared everything from the bottom tray and added these beautiful white glitter rustic bells to the middle. And to either side of the bells, I'm going to add these dollar store ho 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 signs. A pop of greenery by adding this cute little topiary ball in a planter box to the back. And also this cute little grass ornament to the right hand side. I again then just added those cotton buds in the gaps around the tray. It to the left hand side of my ottoman at the entryway. I then added this cute little dollar store windmill to the left hand side. Removed my angel wings from my gallery wall, and I wanted to add some Christmas stockings, so I took these beautiful white fur ones that I picked up from Big W last year and I added them to either side. Tip here when decorating with your stockings, if you want to give them that extra fullness, guys, I used some paper towel. I simply scrunched it up and added it inside. You could definitely use plastic bags for this as well. absolutely love decorating for Christmas. It's one of my favourite seasons for sure. I love that my entryway has that farmhouse feel about it. It's definitely a focal point, and when people walk in, they always like looking at the photos on the wall. I love sharing my memories with my family, and I find that this gallery wall is the perfect location. Now, sticking with my leopard print theme, I took some leopard print ribbon and I made some shoestring bows and added them to the stockings. I also added the ribbon to my DIY farmhouse books, and I was going to add this paper flower to the top, but I changed my mind, guys, and used one of the ho 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 signs instead. I'm absolutely in love with how this came. I love how I just took simple decorative Christmas touches and added it to the existing decor.
The smell of fresh pine tree. I get down on my knee, ring in hand.
I love where I placed my 3-tiered tray. It's not the normal spot that you'd normally see a 3-tiered tray, but this tray, guys, I have to tell you, I couldn't find a spot for it. I literally just went around the whole house and nothing felt right until I went, you know what, I'm going to put it at the front door. And I really love how it ties in so perfectly with this existing decor. If you've been following me for a while now, you know I love the colour turquoise. I have a lot of it throughout my home, and I love the combination of the rustic colours, the warm tones and the whites with the turquoise really flows together in this entryway. I'm really excited to announce that I'll be uploading my Glam Christmas home tour this weekend. If I could ask you just to head on over to your notification bell. Sometimes YouTube seems to notify people, sometimes it doesn't. If you could just tap that notification bell and tick always. That way you'll be aware next time I upload a video. I've been working on this home tour for weeks, guys, and I cannot wait to share it with you.
It's all around.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to farmhouse decorating in your entryway. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.